We're at the home today of Sharon and Bob McKenna, Henderson, Nevada today. This is actually just a finished kitchen to show such a fabulous job creating what our vision was and the client's vision to bring it to reality. One of the new trends we're seeing is this black faucetry, black faucet with our gold. One of the keys that brought everything together. Our cabinets go up to an 8-foot height, but the ceiling is actually 9. So an alternative to doing stacked cabinets to still get that finished look, we have a nice panel going all tight to the ceiling with crown molding at the top. One thing I like to point out about this faucet, it's always kind of fun to play with touch faucets. Our favorites is actually the sink. We're doing an apron style sink. Some people call it a farm sink. One of the things that makes this slab a little different, I don't know if you felt it, but it's a home. Yeah. It's a home finish, not our normal polish finish. My favorite part of the kitchen when we designed this marble, we didn't just take it up to the normal bottom of the 18 inch of the cabinets. You don't see any drywall in the kitchen now.